This is our lecture 48. In this lecture, we will discuss about the present continuous tense. The present continuous tense is such a tense in which the continuous, running, progressive or the always happening things are spoken or written. It means that we are there in our life, and in our life we see before us many things happening. Happening means many things are being taken, or many things are happening. Happening means progressing before us. And such things, progressing things, running things, continuous things, or progressive things, or the stories, or the actions, or the situations, conditions which are going on with us. Because when we live our life, in our life, there are many things happen with us. But those things are happen with us for some times in the running situation, in the moving situations, in the continuous situations, in the progressive situations. These things happen, and that's why these things are called the continuous things. And such continuous things or stories or actions or taking place things or happenings are written and spoken in the present continuous tense. In short, we can say that what we see before us, what we see before us is the present continuous tense. For example, the farmer is there, and that farmer is plowing in the field. The bulls are with him, and he is plowing that field. And while plowing that field, he is looking that the snake is coming to him. So that snake is coming to him. Remember, imagine that snake is coming to him. It means that the action of the snake is going on. Means that snake is doing its action, and that's why such actions are written and spoken in the present continuous tense. For example, I am looking a man on the road, and the man is running. In these two sentences, I am looking means I am doing my action of looking, means I am looking. In the second sentence, he is running or that man is running, it means that the man is doing the action of running, means that action is going on with that man, means that man is repeating that action for some time. So the continuous actions happen only for some time, and then these things or these actions or stories end themselves after some time. So this is called the continuous action, or this is called the continuous present tense or present continuous tense. The second example is here. The fan is moving over our head. The fan is moving over our head. This sentence is showing that when we look at the fan is moving. It means the fan is doing the action of moving. Means that fan is working. That fan is working continuously for some time. As long as we will keep that fan running, that fan will run, and when we will close that button, that fan will close itself. So this is the thing which is called the present continuous thing or continuous happening thing. And so the example is the fan is moving over our head, and second example is they are coming to us. They are coming to us means the subject is they, and that subject means those, they means what? Some persons, means they are coming to us, means the action of coming of those people is happening, is continuous, and that's why they are coming to us. It means that we look before us the running actions of the subjects. When we see the running actions before us, for example, I am there and a boy is studying before me. So I will say the boy is studying. The boy is studying means what? The action of studying of that boy is going on with him. Means that boy is studying, that boy is writing, that boy is reading. Like this we can say. So when we see before us something, and that something or that subject is doing something before us in the continuous sense, that is called the continuous action, and such a continuous action is being spoken and written in the present continuous tense. And so we say here that when we look before us the running action of the subjects, such actions are spoken and written in the present continuous tense. So the subjects are I, we, you, they, he, she, it. These are the subjects, and these subjects always come with the present continuous tense. Again, we can speak, or we can write, or we can explain the subjects. Suppose Sham and Ram, boys, Urmila, Seema, William Shakespeare, Helen. Like this we can take many subjects. Thus we can write and speak the present continuous tense with the running actions. The present continuous tense is described or is written or spoken with the running actions, we can say. And this tense is used with the subjects. So we will discuss the subjects. I, we, you, they, he, she, it. And with these subjects, when we prepare the present continuous tense, with these subjects we use the be verb. Be verb means what? The verbs of be. It means am is are. Am is are. We use in this tense with the subjects. For example, how? So see, I am, we are, you are, they are, he is, she is, it is. In this way we use the be subject or to be subject. It means we use the am is are with the subjects, and in this way we prepare the present continuous tense structure. So we can speak like this: I am going, we are going, you are going, they are going, he is going, she is going, it is going, I am playing, we are playing, you are playing, they are playing, he is playing, she is playing, it is playing. In this way we can prepare the structures or sentences of the present continuous tense. So the structure of the present continuous tense will be subject plus am is are, means to be verb, be verb, subject plus am is are, it means be verb plus mv plus ing plus o plus c plus full stop. This will be the structure of the present continuous tense. And this present continuous tense is used, again we will see that this present continuous tense is used to write and speak the action which is happening before us, or the action which is going with us or with anybody. Such action is written and spoken in the present continuous tense. Here we have finished our today's lecture. Again I will request you that don't go outside, because we are suffering from corona, so stay very happily at houses. Thank you very much.